Watson, chairperson of the 2012 MegaBizFest Conference, coming October 11, 2012 at the DoubleTree Hotel, downtown Wilmington, Delaware. MegaBizFest is a conference that will provide your business with a lot of tools essential to run a successful business. It is also a procurement conference that will enable you to meet with over 35 small business agencies looking to procure your services of your company. The conference will also present 5 workshops to address social media, effective marketing and communications, and federal contracting, as well as certification boot camp. The event will also feature one-on-one business matchmaking sessions between procurement and purchasing specialists. We like to get the purchasing specialists, not the gatekeepers. The conference is partnered with Constant Contact, a powerhouse organization providing an integrated solution for marketing and building relationships using online technology. Businesses are in need of optimizing their social media networks and gaining tools that help with building and increasing their customer relationships. Several opportunities are scheduled to assist businesses with monetary cash and business support services. Organizers will announce the winners of the 8th annual MegaBizFest Business Plan Competition, in which aspiring and existing entrepreneurs compete for up to $10,000 in prize money and business support services for their small businesses. An elevator pitch contest will award $1,000 to the individual pitching a business to a team of judges seeking to invest in the business enterprise. Additional awards will be presented to the Outstanding DBE of the Year, the Outstanding Prime Contractor of the Year, and the Pioneer Legacy Company of the Year at the Keynote Awards Luncheon. Registration is only $99. However, many of the initiatives are priced individually to provide flexibility. For a full schedule of events, as well as information on registration, go to the website www.megabizfest.com or call 302-576-2121. Again, Lorraine Watson, City of Wilmington 2012 MegaBizFest Coordinator. Wanting to see your face in that place? Why go to the rest when you can come to the best at MegaBizFest?